This video is to get you how to set regenerative braking. So now you can see this kit is connected and the controller is powered on. We use this debugging tool. This one connects with the wire harness and this one connects with the computer. And then you download this software, Ghost file. Now we open it. The first step is to choose the parameter, online parameter, and here you see the P6 torque control. On this way we choose P654 restraint forward. You can see the max parameter here is 100%. We can change from 0 to 20, then click enter, then do the download here. Here you can see it's processing. You see the parameter storing and the parameter saved. Then we click refresh. So this is the first step. Then the second step is to click P9 battery and choose the parameter P9A2 battery current input limit. You can see the max current is 600 ampere and we can change the value from 20 to 50. Then click enter and do the download again. You can see here the parameter storing. And saved. Then we click the refresh. So it's okay now. You can power off the key switch and restart.